Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a wrap in, a roll through to a count that looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. So let's break that down from a teaching point of view. It starts like a Wurlitzer, so if you know the beginner move, the Wurlitzer, this is going to help you start off. So we go semicircular in the left to right, offering the right, back to 2 hands. There's 1. We come in, flatten the left, fingers hooked up but not actually gripping the lady's hand, just so the lady's hand can't slide off to our left, guys. We push, send the lady out and check her from going too far, so we're setting her up for a Wurlitzer spin. But guys, instead of being in front of the lady as usual, we're going to move out of the way to the left. So now the line straight down where the lady's looking where we were standing is clear. We pull down to the right, wrapping the lady in. When the lady gets to the guy, she should be stopping by making contact, which means she wants to make a gentle contact. If she comes in hard enough that she wins the guy too much, if she doesn't really feel like she's made a solid contact with the right side of the guy's body too little, you want to go for that sweet spot in the middle. And then guys, look over the right shoulder, pull with the right hand, you roll the lady out so she's coming to that similar position she was up at the other end. And guys, again, we get out of the way to the left and then we can repeat. Wrap, contact, roll, get out of the way. We're going to offer the hand as well this time, so left hand in front of the lady, and we're doing a travelling return. We're starting in the right hand, transferring into the left, letting go with the right, and then just finishing that travelling return off to finish left to right. And that is the wrap-in roll through. Let's put it to numbers. We go left to right, semicircle, offering the hand and back. There's 1. We come in flat. 2. Prep the lady, guys, out of the way. 3. Wrapping. 4. Rolling. 5. Prepping. 6. Wrapping. 7. Rolling. 8, prepping 1, over the top 2, and finish on 3. One final thing that's worth noting from a different angle is this feels nice because of the guy getting out of the lady's way. So the lady gets that line and the guy gets out of the way, and the lady gets the line and the guy gets out of the way, and then you can finish off. If you don't do that, the lady's job becomes quite tricky because she's got to do everything she's meant to do and get round the fella, which makes it quite hard. But also it doesn't feel good for the guys either, because if the guy's not getting out of the way, it feels like he's not doing very much. Okay, so it doesn't really feel balanced. So guys, make sure you give the lady the line and it'll all feel lovely. So let's try it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, a wrap in, roll through. It's a back, flat, out of the way, wrap, roll, preparation, wrap, roll, off of the hand, over the top, and stop. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back with another clip next time. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And we'll stick a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. Stay safe out there. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.